Hello, Heritage family and friends. This is Dan, and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2022. It's pretty crazy, isn't it? When I hear dates like that, I kind of get this weird feeling that I'm sitting back in the 80s watching some futuristic sci-fi movie about things to come in the future, and it's really kind of strange. But let's get back to the real world. Hey, 2021 was actually a pretty good year for investors and investing. The markets were doing pretty good. And, in my perspective, I think this coming year is going to be a lot more of the same. I think the same things that were driving the market last year will probably be the same forces that will be pushing us forward in 2022. COVID-19 still remains tragic and unpredictable, of course. And the pandemic was actually one of the big driving forces in the market last year. And, I hope that the worst is over. I hope that we're getting past a lot of this. But, I really do have a feeling that the pandemic and COVID-19 is still going to be probably a big influence still going forward in 2022. The Federal Reserve will probably get a big share of the headlines again this year from Fed's chairs Powell's nomination hearings to the possible increase in interest rates. You can bet that investors are probably going to keep a real close eye on a lot of those things going forward this year as well. And of course, tax law changes are always a possibility. As a matter of fact, a lot of the federal tax law changes that were expected in 2021 were actually attached to President Biden's Build Back Better plan, which actually is still in debate right now. So we're going to keep our eyes open on what's going on there to let you all know of any changes that do take place. And of course, we'll pass them forward to you as soon as possible. So we're going into a new year, and obviously, as a reminder, this is always a good time to slow down a little bit, step back, and do a little reflecting on the coming year and the changes that may be taking place with you in your home, in your life. Any change can affect your future in investing and retirement planning. It could be moving to a different location. It could be a number of different things that could take place that could really always trigger some kind of life event that you might want to say, you know what, hey, maybe we need to sit down and just take another look at where we are. So I just want to remind you this is a great time to do that. And of course, we are always here to listen and to lend some advice and to give you some of our thoughts. And of course, we're always interested in your thoughts and your concerns as well. So naturally, this is a great time to sit down and have a chat. And of course, we're going to be getting together with our clients. We'll be doing annual reviews. We'll be putting out quarterly information. We'll be putting out newsletters. We're still going to be having our workshops, our educational workshops, and our retirement planning seminars that you are all welcome to come to. We'd love to see you there. Don't forget to check out our Facebook page and our website. We always have great information online, and you can download free articles. There are blogs on there. We really do a good job of keeping you informed and keeping current information on there. So please go check that out. And as always, we want to throw out a reminder of our HFP STAR strategy, Heritage Financial Planning, Seasonal Transition into Advanced Retirement. You have to check that out. It's our proprietary process of taking you through each step, making sure, and listen, we cover the bases, and this is incredible. Every time we have a client come in and we take them through our STAR strategy process, they're walking out with smiles on their faces and peace of mind, and knowing that we're going to show you how much you can live on income-wise without ever worrying about running out of money or losing too much money in the retirement years. So we look at the income planning, we look at investment planning, age-appropriate investment planning. I can't stress that enough. Age-appropriate. Are your investments age-appropriate? If you are 60, 70 years old and you're starting to move into retirement or already retired, you simply cannot have all of your assets in the market at risk. That's not age appropriate. And that could be disastrous for a lot of people, life-changing and retirement-changing if you're not careful. So age-appropriate investing, tax planning and tax strategies, healthcare planning, legacy planning, we cover it all. A lot of companies only do one or two of those. We think it's important that our clients are set in every one of those areas, and so we want to cover them step by step. Our HFP Star strategy process does that. So we encourage you to get a hold of us if you want to go through that. Even if you're not a client right now, we'll still run that for you and let you know where you are and how things can look for you in income-wise and retirement planning and going forward. It's really incredible. So please get a hold of us, check that out. We'd love to sit down with you. And we'll be looking forward to next month to getting out another newsletter, some more current information. We'll see what kind of changes take place starting out here in 2022. And hey, God bless you. We look forward to talking to you and seeing you real soon.